Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best drone under 250 grams. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, QJ. Model number, S608. Foldable arms, compact structure, easy to carry. ESC6K HD wide-angle camera. The angle can be adjusted to 90 degrees by the controller. Converging many current advanced flight technologies, with independent original chips, with a specially tuned GPS positioning system, 4K movie-level imaging system, sufficient in order to let your creation freely. GPS-assisted flight, provide you with accurate positioning details of the drone. The built-in return-to-home function can ensure safer flight. The drone will automatically and accurately return home when the battery is low or out of range when the signal is weak, without worrying about losing the drone. Using 2.4 GHz high-frequency remote control signal, the remote control distance can reach nearly 5,000 meters, and it is not easy to be interfered by magnetic fields. The fixed point height makes indoor shooting easier and more stable. You will record your beauty through gestures, break the old way of taking pictures and discover new things. Number 4, brand name, OIK. Model number, K911 Max. The OIK K911 Max drones with camera for adults 4K, provides a high-resolution picture, 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens allows you to see the world from a different perspective. 5 GHz FPV transmission can ensure stable and smooth video. GPS positioning and auto-return function prevent your 4K drone lose in any situation, automatically fly back even fly out of control, lost signal and low battery. You will never lose your drone. The drones with camera of 4K can resist 7 level provide you a stable and powerful fly experience. 3 battery set can provide about 80 minutes flight time in total. It is very easy to operate, even for beginners. Number 3, brand name, KCX. Model number, RG101 Max. Equipped with a brushless motor with a smaller size and better performance, with high burst strong power, high-speed power output of 3,200 RPM, wind resistance. The index is as high as level 7, and the flight is more comfortable and stable. GPS 1 key to return to the takeoff point, return home with low power, return home without signal. Multi-point flight route planning, the aircraft will fly autonomously according to the preset route, and the player will focus on shooting within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft. Face the camera to make a photo gesture or camera gesture. Possesses 360 degrees omnidirectional laser obstacle avoidance ability. Flying aerial photography, let you control more easily, easy to use. Number 2, brand name, BV. Model number, S85 Pro. S85 Pro equipped with 4K Ultra HD camera to record every unforgettable moment in life. With advanced FPV real-time transmission tech, you can enjoy real-time images through app for beautiful scenery. The drone has 4 channels and can fly up, down, front, back, left, right, and 360 degrees. The drone has a 6-axis gyro which allows it to fly more stable and easy. S85 Pro drone uses foldable wing design with storage bag. You can take it to any place you like. Just 1 key is all it takes to take off and to land the drone. Keep it simple to control for even beginners. Altitude hold function can maintain the drone at a certain height, which makes it so easy to control and take high-quality footage. Number 1. Brand name, Sherry Funbay. Model number, L900 Pro. The L900 Pro is a drone with folding arms equipped with an impressive 4K HD camera that records with high quality and clarity, and with which you will obtain brutal results. Its folding arm allows it to be picked up and stored very easily, making it the perfect unit to take on a trip and transport anywhere. The battery lasts approximately 28 minutes, so it will allow you to calmly take pictures and videos in your favorite places and return to the point of departure comfortably and without rushing. Undoubtedly the perfect drone for lovers of aerial photography. Follow me way. The drone will automatically follow and capture you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times, easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flight and selfie. 6-axis gyro that can have a more stable flight and be easy to control. Optical flow positioning. Fixed point height and it can shoot more easily and steadily indoor. Fixed point surround. Choose one point, then the drone will fly around the point in a circle.